How to make your account public on eToro. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your account public on eToro in easy fast way. So first thing we do is we go to eToro app, and this is the home page. As you can see now, if you want to make your profile public, you have to choose those three lines here in the top corner and then choose settings, and after that go to privacy. Here click on it, and here you go. Here you can make your profile public as you want, just from here. And thank you so much for watching this video. Hope it was helpful, and thank you so much. See you in the next video.